So can we have the next team, Grownomics? Okay.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is one of the most important movements in our time, urban farming, planting and distributing clean and healthy food in urban areas. In Malaysia, urban farming is not new to us. It was already introduced to us many years ago. So, with this farming method, it is very beneficial for us and the environment. But do you actually practice urban farming? Do you? Do you? Well, we don't have much space at home, nor do we have time for rooftop gardening. So, we offer the perfect solution. But don't worry. So, wait. What's that beautiful thing over there?
That's hydroponics. Introducing Grownomics, a smart hydroponics kit. Apart from the normal features of every hydroponics kit, Grownomics introduces integrated sensors, which link up to an app. This allows users to monitor the growing conditions of their plants in real time. Using your phone and our app as a controller, the kit will provide optimal light intensity, pH, as well as nutrients required for the plants at all times, making it 50% more efficient than any other kit and producing high-quality yield. Many users may opt for the suggested planting specifications. However, they would still need to log in their plants to our app, and they are encouraged to give feedback based on the growing condition and progress of their plants using our system to strengthen our database as well as to improve farming specifications in the future. This is Ali. Ali has a family of 4 and earns a household income of 6,500 ringgit a month. Ali spends about 70 ringgit a week on vegetables alone. One day, Ali's wife says,
"Let's start eating organic vegetables."
for the sake of good food and health. However, they are unable to because of the cost. Pictured above is a comparison of the family's current consumption as well as scenarios of buying organic vegetables and growing using the Grownomics kit. Our product offers an ROI of 1,530% for the money Ali pays while realizing his wife's dream of eating organic food. Isn't that lovely? And by the way, comparisons such as these will be printed on the back of every package, so users know exactly what they're getting when they buy a Grownomics kit. For ease and efficiency, Ali and his friends later on can pass one type of vegetable in a certain volume. Later on, when they've got excess vegetables, they can share it to each other by using our peer-to-peer online supply platform. The logistics partner will handle the delivery for them. Now each of them has tomato, spinach, and bok choy. The main goal of Grownomics is to allow everyone to grow clean and healthy food with minimal cost and with ease. Save your diet, save your wallet, and by using our product, you're also saving the earth as you help reduce agricultural pollution.
Grownomics is also part of the UN Sustainable Development Goals of achieving responsible consumption and production, as well as zero hunger, good health and well-being, clean water and sanitation, and life below water. Great things should be shared. We aim to connect every Grownomics users on our very own blog, the Growy community, to share discussions, knowledge, and experiences on growing clean and healthy food with our product.
Our target market will start from individuals and will develop a few more in the following years. These individuals are predominantly the medium income group and some from the high income group. We will mainly target these individuals, those who plan to save money and those who plan to have organic food, as well as the poor consumers who are gardening enthusiasts, deco enthusiasts, and eco-activists. We are distributing our Grownomics kits to them through our official website, online stores, and physical stores. Before the official launch, 300 Grownomics kits will be available for pre-order to test the market and grab the public's attention. To market and advertise our product, we will definitely look into promotional event, exhibition, as well as gardening influencers, local and international online media, reward points, and of course, the shopping online festivals. Beyond on this, we have 3 major marketing plans. Number 1, we'll collaborate with organic stores to penetrate into organic conscious market by bringing our users the ease in getting organic ingredients. Number 2, the Growing Love project works like this. We'll have our product and growing vegetables set up in glass display boxes, stationed in commercial buildings and shopping malls. There'll be a QR code for people to access information for the project, our company and the project, as well as to making a donation to support this project. Harvested vegetables from this project will be donated to people in need via our partner NGO. Consumers now have a second purpose to buy our product as they can support a good cause. Not to mention, we'll benefit in terms of profit and reputation. Number 3, nothing persists like a customer story. Selected Grownomics users will share testimonials on how our product has made an impact in their life. Many 1-minute videos will be created based on their stories and published online with the help of precision target active advertising, so that the right story goes to the right person. We are budgeting to spend 8,000 per month for targeted advertising with Google and Facebook, gaining 200,000 impressions, in which 2.5% will trigger purchases.
Grownomics is priced at 249 ringgit per set with a markup of 93.7%, which is 90% cheaper compared to the market average. Our customers are paying less for more. In the 5 years, our revenue has steady year-on-year growth on the 4 main pipelines, with profit-making commences in the 2nd year after the break-even. Before that, we require an investment of 660,000 ringgit to sustain our operations. Although the fixed costs increase every year, our revenue growth is more than sufficient for us to cover the cost. We will invest in R&D, software development, and other expenditures to support our operations. Grownomics will start to make a positive return on investment in the 2nd year and pay back the investment capital after 21 months. Our analysis has concluded that our business has a sufficient margin of safety to remain as a safe investment, as we are still able to deliver a high 268% ROI and a 29-month payback period under the grey sky scenario. There is also an upside opportunity for us to achieve a 473% ROI.
Every business will have a number of risks. For our business, major risks would be market risk and product risk. To gain public acceptance, we'll invest in promotional events and online influences to gain exposure and public trust. Our pre-order strategy will allow us to test the market, ensuring that actual market demand is per expected before our official launch. However, we opine that this risk is a low probability risk, as hydroponics has been deemed as the future of agriculture, and the hydroponics market is estimated to reach $16 billion by 2025, which is 2 times more than that in 2019. Also, for product malfunction risk, we will acquire product safety certification, sign service level agreements with our outsourcers, and also establish warranty policy to reduce this risk.
So, for our business milestone in year 2, we will engage and support entrepreneurs who will venture into modern and green agriculture. We will supply them with larger kits and assist them in acquiring grants from the Green Technology Financial Scheme Malaysia. In the 3rd year, we aim to expand our market in other regions, but currently, we are eyeing on the agriculture community in Cambodia, where poor farmers are suffering against degraded soil, climate changes, and bad harvests. Farming, to them, is a sense of security, community, and family. and we believe with our product Grownomics, we can help them. In the 4th year, Grownomics 2.0 will be introduced with enhanced specifications and new features. Our product will also be available in selected stores and retail chains. In the 5th year, we will develop a large scale of hydrofarming system powered by data analytics for the farmers.
In conclusion, we give our users higher yields, fresher food, and a much smaller carbon footprint. By investing in us, you're investing in a low-risk business in a market with exponential growth. Ladies and gentlemen, when we say, or when anyone says, clean and healthy food, they know we're referring to hydroponics. And it's eco-friendly, sustainable, green, connected, smart, and affordable future it offers for you. Thank you.
Judges, questions?
Thank you for the presentation. The visuals, the slides are very well presented. I have a question in relation to the originality of this idea, because hydroponics has been in the market for like the past, I think, maybe 30 years. And how are you different from the other hydroponics players that were already in the market? I saw your costing, and you did mention that you can actually produce it at a lower cost. But how did you manage to achieve that?
Okay, to answer, thank you for your question, sorry. So to answer the second question you asked 2 questions, right, if I'm not mistaken? Okay, to answer your second question, why we can offer more benefits when we can actually produce at lower cost. Okay, the main reason is because hydroponic is usually imported in countries such as Germany, Japan, Finland, and Sweden. So the import cost and the transportation fee is really high. So our product, our hydroponic product, Grownomics, we're gonna produce it locally. So we're gonna outsource our product. So by this, we can reduce a lot of transportation fee and also our import cost.
In relation to your first question, the thing that makes us different from all other hydroponics kit is the integrated sensors. Most hydroponics kit are user maintained, whilst ours, due to it being connected to an app, to the sensors, is largely maintained by the app and requires very little user interaction.
So correct me if I'm wrong. Your value proposition of this is what? Eat clean and eat green. The illustration you gave about Ali was about saving money and then swapping tomatoes and bok choy and all that. But I saw that when you do your market sizing, your target for your markets are really medium to high income. They probably have less issue with affordability. So I'm a little bit confused about your value proposition. And it's not cheap, it's 249 per unit, that thing, I saw the box. So maybe you want to clarify a little bit about, who are your target markets and how do you market size?
Thank you for your question. So for our company's value proposition, it's actually to, wait, we'll have the slides to show everyone. It's actually to enable our customers to grow clean and healthy food as the main value, and with a lower cost as our supplementary value. So we mainly target medium household income group and high household income group is because we believe that, it's not that we believe that, we believe that low household income group might not have the luxury to consume organic vegetables, and they might not care about this issue, and they will actually prefer buying vegetables normal vegetables at a cheaper price in markets or night markets.
If I may, our main proposition is that we help everyone grow clean and healthy food. The saving cost is also an additional benefit to it. According to our market research, many middle-income people would like to buy organic vegetables but are unable to because of the cost. So through our product, we reduce the cost of organic vegetables for them. so they can get what they want, which is eating organic vegetables. Thank you.
I don't have questions, but hold your mic. What's motivated you to work on this project? Do you plan just to show this, and do you have any plans to continue this idea after these competitions?
Yeah, you're asking if you would like to pursue with our product, this product in the future, right? So, yes, definitely we will. Because from our graph statistics that we did from our market research, actually the market trend for Grownomics, for hydroponics is increasing. It's increasing year by year. And the next decade, hydroponics will reach statistics of 53.8%. So, definitely, if we have a very good market to hit, we would definitely try to enter the market because it's rising, it's on the rise.
So all of you gave me your cards, and now is my time to give you my cards. Why I'm telling you this is both with Sunway Innovation Lab. The whole Sunway Group, we are established a 30,000 square feet urban farming innovation hub right next to the university. And this is a technology incubators. There are indoor and outdoor farming. There are e-commerce. There are marketplace. And if you need us, we can work together to materialize your business idea.
Oh, yes, very clear. Thank you so much.
Thanks for your presentation. Just one quick question about how easy will you make this for your consumers? I mean, assuming your target market is consumers, because I'm also a bit unclear, like Sufen, is it farmers, is it consumers like me? How easy will you make it for me to grow? Because not everyone has green fingers, and I also don't have the patience to go and wait for it to grow, and the gestation period, I might as well just step out and buy food from Tesco's or wherever. Thanks.
Thank you for your question. Well, as I mentioned before, our kit is largely automated by the app. So there's very little user intervention. So even if you don't have green fingers like me, you could definitely grow vegetables. And in relation to the time that it takes to grow, normal hydroponics takes about 35 days to grow one plant, whilst our kit would take 17 to 18 days, which is roughly 50% of the time.
And that is because of our integrated sensors, just to be clear. Thank you.
Hi. So if I'm the consumer, right, I pay this amount of money, what will I get? I will get the tray, I will get the apps. Then what about the things that I want to plant? Because I really don't know,
Okay.
Thank you for your question. Each kit includes nutrient solution that should last over a year and seeds for you to start your farming. There are approximately 60 seeds too.
Yeah, 60.
60. So it should last you a roughly long time.
Thank you.
No more questions? Thank you very much. Can we have your names again?
Thank you, guys.
My name is Lim Mei Ping.
My name is Andy Woon.
I'm Darren Das.
I'm Ng Wei Xuan.
And I'm Ian Kwek.
Thank you very much.